Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel using freeze panes. Let's get started. Imagine you have a sales data set, and the top row contains essential totals. However, the actual data starts from the third row. The key here is keeping the order number and order date visible whenever you scroll. By default, the freeze pane's second option freezes only the first row, neglecting the crucial headers marked in red. Similarly, freezing the first column alone won't lock in the necessary details. To achieve this, we'll dive into a custom option. Here's how it works. Imagine your cursor is on cell C4. When you apply freeze panes, all rows above and all columns to the left of this selected cell will lock. Let's visualize. With the cursor on C4, executing the freeze panes option freezes 3 rows above, up to the green mark, and 2 columns on the left, before the green mark. Now when you scroll down, those 3 rows stay put. Scroll sideways, and those 2 columns remain in view. Remember, whenever you position your cursor, freeze panes will freeze everything above and to the left of it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.